Yeah. Got him on the jig. Not a very big one. Get up here. Nice £1.5 on the jig. There's one. Oh yeah, big bass. Oh my god, dude, guys, I got a 5-pounder. Holy, oh my god, oh my god. Am I rolling? Am I rolling? Holy sheez. Calm down, bitch. Yo, let's go. I just caught a 5-pounder. Let's go, baby. It's so early in the morning, it's hard to hold them. My hands are cold. Wow, look at that bass. Holy sheez. Oh my god. Yo, we're throwing that guy on the scale. That is a freaking toad. Okay, we are gonna weigh this sucker. I'm gonna guess, man, a 4.5, 5. Holy crap, ow! Man, that right there on the buzzbait, that right there is an easy 4. 4 pounds, 9 ounces. That fish right there, 4.5. I guessed it, about 4.5, almost 5. Man, beautiful bass right there. Holy crap. There's one. There we go. Oh, that's not a bad one. Nice. On the buzzbait. Get up here. Nice. Little 1.5-pounder on the buzzbait. My drag wasn't set very properly, so the bite didn't really feel that tough, but nice one right there. 1.5 on the buzzbait. Nice fish. Let him go. So, a little update for you guys. Been about 5 minutes since my giant, and I just caught a little 1.5-pounder.